Coach USA is a national company with locations across the US and Canada. We go to every large urban area that you can think of. So we see a variety of challenges.
When you think about a fleet of roughly 1,000 buses on the road and moving hundreds of thousands of people on a daily basis, we want to make sure that every person is safe that's around us and that our drivers are making sure that they're aware of what's going on all 6 sides of their bus.
Traditionally, pedestrian safety has been a little bit reactive. Before, we relied on the operator to report any types of near misses, and sometimes they didn't even know because there are a lot of blind spots. Our aha moment with AI Multicam was when we saw what we didn't know was happening out there on the roadway. Pedestrian Collision Warning gives our operators an extra set of eyes, if you will. It provides 360 degrees of protection around the bus at all times. It sees things that our driver may not normally see.
And we've seen the technology in real time literally notify the operator that someone with their head down and their cell phone is getting ready to walk off that curb, and that gives the operator a chance to lightly alert the pedestrian or stopping immediately. We prevent a claim, we save a life, and at the end of the day, that's success for Coach USA, Coach Canada, and Megabus.
Samsara's multicam helps me to stay safe in crowded areas with being able to pick up on pedestrians that I would have missed. There's so many different moving parts when you're in the city. It's helping me to basically keep my head on a swivel.
Since implementing AI dash cams, we've seen a 92% decrease in preventable incidents when it comes to pedestrians, bicyclists, motorcyclists. Most importantly, we've reduced our number of claims by 50%, and our cost for claims have reduced by 75%.
When I think about investing in AI multicam technology with Samsara, it makes us safer for not just our driver and the passengers on the bus, but for all of the pedestrians that are outside the bus and people traveling on the streets.
Samsara has been a great, innovative company to work with, and I look forward to working with them in the future.